Another Jamaican TikToker named 41 Bushead lost his life while on his TikTok live. This is the second Jamaican TikToker to lose their life this month on TikTok live.
I 26 me I left me heart. Me not sure about nowhere else. The 21st and my birthday. You understand? And you would look away for your dead for your birthday. So I guess I go on now. The 21st me go jail duck in our hotel. You understand?
This news circulated on the internet that famous TikToker 41 Bushead has been shot and killed. At this moment, let me take the time to send out prayers to all his friends and family members. At this moment of recording, I don't have any details surrounding his death, but as soon as I do, I will keep you guys posted.
Guys, it confirms that Bushead to get 10 pow and him pass since night. My God, man, first and I know Bushead. What take place on the app? The app is not safe. The app not safe, none at all. At this point, I'm glad he's not even a big TikToker or ranker because the app serious. Who did remember when the lady, when it come on, after Naya did, when it one, Naya, she come on the live, when them a tell her and she say it not done yet. Who remember when me even make the video when me a talk about it and me said the lady did say it not done yet, all it more TikTokers are go dead. Who did it on the live there? Jesus, I can't believe. What really take place?
Yes, it confirmed.
Jamaica too dangerous, yeah?
What? But it's just so scary. This shit is so scary.
Me that never live back at Jamaica. Before I go to Jamaica, I go live my brother, go back at AC with nobody.
It's just so sad.
Tessa, you did get a call?
It's really sad though. No, sad. Somebody will live close to me now.
Confirm, Tessa.
Listen, me know somebody where I'm neighbor and says, look while where I'm neighbor will live a month here.
They say confirm.
And that person, person not tell no lie.
A lie?
They say confirm.
No, I don't lie that.
Hey, it's not.
It's there over all pink quality the pants. Most people are going to tell no lie.
It's not. We're not here.
Yeah, man, top of the morning, give thanks for life for there. Boy, sometimes you have to wonder what really a go on. What really a go on in a Jamaica, yo. Another TikToker, 41 Bushead, lose him life. Literally. One day. Not even one day, a couple hours before his birthday. You can't believe that. The man I go do him here if he celebrate his birthday the next day. And them come kill the brother. Literally. I don't know what caused it. I don't know. But it's just sad. If you know say Naya dead what day and now this little youth are dead again. A craziness, yo. Madness. Yeah, and them things are deeper than TikTok, but to me, TikTok have become a crime-infested place. It's like a devil playground. Yeah, man. So sad to say, but I just one of them there, you know. But yeah, man. I mean, R.I.P. to a young youth again will lose them life. A joke thing. You know, my condolences. And yo, I'm gonna stay safe out there. Out there not pretty. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, out there not pretty. You get to me, I say, at what point we are gonna say how much more young youth are gonna lose them life the way here. Yo, the youth them get caught up in some things where them not get caught up in. Yo, you see this thing and money a cause them thing, you know. The love of money is the root of all evil. There's nothing wrong with money and there's nothing wrong with wanting money. But you see, when you come obsessed with getting money by any means necessary, you are going to put your life in a problem. Remember me tell you, You know, because you have to understand, say, yo, when you make money, I know everybody I go happy for you, yo. Yo, some people are going to take you out. All if they not benefit from it. Because you have your money and you make your money. And next man just envy you for anything. You know, and this not have nothing to do with Bossed or Naya with dead. We don't know what cause them madness there. You know what cause man for just pull up on them and just shoot them. Literally. Pan live. That will show you how gruesome and heartless the man them don't care about another person's life, yo. So you have to try to protect your life as much as possible. Remember me tell you that. And this thing where you them are go live and attack, you have to understand this, yo. When you have the phone in your hand and you go up on live, nothing else around you. You know look. If nothing else around you, you look on the phone. You talk to the phone. So now your reality become the phone. So when a man come to you, you don't know nothing what go on, because your focus gone. Your focus dep on the phone attack. You have to understand, brother, them things are not normal. Put the device in your pocket until you're going to one safe zone in your yard, in your room, somewhere where you know say if a man even come to you, you have a chance. Because your yard you're there. In your house. But when you're there road, brother, and you have phone in your hand, brethren, you know what you do? Yo, me don't know, brother. Them young youth, yeah. Boy, me don't know, brethren. Yo, not just know, yo, no one not do, yo. And anything can happen to anybody, but you have to be more vigilant when you're there in the street, yo. Especially when you get caught up in a certain things. That are the problem now, you know. Yo, you can't feel like say, yo, internet and a talking thing, yo, you take it for joke, but some man take them things they're serious. Yeah, man, but yo, just make this be a lesson to the other youth them where you do them thing. Be vigilant, yo. Know what you do in the street. And not everything when you talk, some man take normal and yo, you have to know what you do. Remember me telling you, but one of them day, brother. Sad day, but you don't know. Jamaica, I don't know what go on. You need to do better though. Yeah, man. One of them day. But anyway, big up on yourself. You don't know. Life is for the living. When you're dead, you're dead. Remember me tell you.